welcome to paint the Supra. Now we're gonna clean all this mess. And sand it down. So the car has been painted a couple of times, and neither one of the times they took the trunk lid off, so there is no way to get in between the trunk into the door jamb to scuff it good, and it gets overspray in there, and this is what happens. The paint doesn't stick, so we have to sand all that off, make it smooth and make it nice. Now we scuff the rest, and then we'll go over the whole body and then tape it up and paint it. We got it all sanded, nice, prepped, ready to go. So I'm about to tape it up and paint it. We're going to paint the body right now and the front later, because we still got a little bit of work to do on the front. Let's get taping.
Could you give me a break? I'm just a fool.
That's it, all taped up, ready to go. Now we're gonna wipe it with wax and grease remover and shoot some sealer and then some color. Let's get to painting. So we got the sealer on. To put the base coat. Let's do it. So we got the base on. Now we're about to put the clear. Boy. Ooh, this thing is gonna look good. Some more parts. If you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
with love.